Okay, this video starts on question 9 of your guided notes with this little table of notices and wonders. So, we just finished learning about cancer, and in this unit, we are going to delve into a specific type of cancer, which is skin cancer. So, we've got a map here called the World Skin Cancer Map. This is a color coded map that shows different levels of skin cancer around the world. So, if you look here, the darker areas are very high rates of skin cancer. The lighter areas are very low rates of skin cancer. So we can see here that the world differs in the amount of skin cancer based on location, region, or country. So what I want you to do is something called notices and wonders. This is on question 9. Notices are your observations and evidence. Wonders are the questions that could arise from these observations. I want you to look at this world skin cancer map and try to come up with at least 3 notices and 3 wonders. So it's here in your notes, or I'll put it on large on the video. So pause and write down 3 things that you notice and 3 things that you wonder about. Okay, question 10 is brainstorming with a partner. So work with someone else, although if you've been sick and you're at home, just do it on your own. Which areas have the lowest rates of skin cancer? Which areas have the highest rates of skin cancer? What ideas do you have that might explain why some areas have more skin cancer than others? So pause and answer these 3 questions with a partner or by yourself if you don't have a partner currently. Okay, we have a letter from the Australian Health Alliance. You remember you were taking the role of a student spectroscopist, and so this is a letter giving you your mission for this chapter. The letter says 2 out of 3 Australians will be diagnosed with skin cancer by the time they are 70 years old. That makes Australia's skin cancer rate the highest on the planet. On behalf of the Australian Health Alliance, I am asking for your help in educating Australian citizens about why the skin cancer rate is so high in our country. To begin your research, you will need to learn more about what causes skin cancer. Good luck. So this is our goal. Our mission is to learn more about skin cancer. So if we jump to question 11, 11 has our unit essential question and our chapter essential questions. You don't have to answer these questions in your notes. I actually want you to copy down the question so that you're thinking about it throughout our unit. So first of all, how does light interact with materials? Copy this question down for our unit question. And then our chapter question is a little more specific and a smaller scope. Chapter 1 essential question says, how does light from the sun cause skin cancer? So copy this question down. As I said, you don't need to answer these yet. They're just things to think about that we will be able to answer by the end of our chapter and by the end of our unit. So, question 12, partner talk and write. What is something that you have done or that people have done in general in order to protect their skin from being damaged by sunlight? Pause and write down some ways that people protect their skin from sunlight. Question 13. Come up with several questions, ones that you do not know the answer to, about skin cancer in general or skin cancer in Australia specifically.